For number 1, it's just asking you what skills do you hope to get from this class. Please let me know if there's any particular skills you really want help with. Email me something so I know. But on number 2, we've got operations with integers. And there is, don't forget, the cheat sheet that's on Google Classroom for you to use anytime you need it. 2, we've got 3 problems for number 2. The first one's negative 23 plus negative 14. And all this is, if you think about money, I borrowed $23 and then I borrowed 14 more. So when you're adding integers and the signs are the same, you're going to add and keep the sign. So I'm just going to do 23 plus 14. And that's 7, that's 3. So my answer is a negative 37. So when your signs are the same, when you're adding integers, you add, keep the sign. So 23 plus 14 gives me 37, has to be negative because they're already negative. So the second problem on number 2 is negative 51 plus 32. So I'm going to give you the rule again. When you're adding integers and the signs are different, you're going to subtract, keep the sign of the largest number. So I'm going to do 51 minus 32. I've got to regroup here. 11 minus 2 is 9. 4 minus 3 is 1. So I subtracted, keep the sign of the largest, so my answer is negative 19. And then finally, the last one on number 2, I've got an 87 plus negative 35. The only reason that parentheses is there, just to separate that negative, that's the only reason. So I've got an 87 minus 35, because remember, we're adding integers, the signs are different, so I subtract, keep the sign of the largest number. So 7 minus 5 is 2, 8 minus 3 is 5. So my answer is just a 52.